What if I told you that one of the most powerful anti-aging secrets in the world has been sitting in your kitchen cabinet this entire time, and it costs less than a cup of coffee? Right now, the skincare industry is making billions of dollars selling you creams, serums, and treatments packed with synthetic fillers and chemicals, all promising to turn back the clock on your skin. But here is what they are not telling you. Your skin is literally made of a protein that your body produces less and less of with every passing year. And the moment you start replenishing it from the inside out, everything changes. I have seen people in their 70s and 80s with skin that looks decades younger, and the common thread is always the same. Today I am going to show you exactly how flavorless gelatin, yes, the ordinary unflavored gelatin you can find in any grocery store, can erase wrinkles, tighten sagging skin, and give you a complexion that defies your age. Stay with me, because what you are about to learn will completely change the way you think about skincare forever. Let us start at the very foundation of the problem, because if you do not understand why your skin ages the way it does, you cannot fight it effectively. Your skin is not just a covering over your body. It is a living, breathing, highly organized structure made up of multiple layers. The outermost layer you can see and touch is called the epidermis, but just beneath that is where the real magic of youthful skin lives, the dermis. This layer is dense with collagen fibers, elastin fibers, and a substance called hyaluronic acid, all of which work together to keep your skin plump, firm, smooth, and supple. Collagen alone makes up approximately 70 to 80% of the dry weight of your skin. Think about that for a moment. The majority of your skin is collagen, and collagen is a protein. Then gelatin, my friends, is essentially cooked collagen. Here is where the story gets really important. Starting as early as your mid-20s, and I know that sounds alarming, but it is true, your body begins producing less collagen every single year. By the time you reach your 40s, your collagen production has dropped significantly, and the results are written all over your face. You begin to see fine lines around your eyes and mouth. The skin under your chin starts to lose its firmness. Your cheeks, which were once full and lifted, begin to look hollow. The nasolabial folds, those lines that run from the sides of your nose down to the corners of your mouth, become deeper and more visible. These are not signs of weakness. They are the entirely natural and predictable consequences of collagen loss. And while you cannot stop time, you absolutely can slow it down, and in many cases visibly reverse the damage that has already been done. Now let us talk about gelatin specifically, because there is a lot of confusion out there about the difference between collagen supplements and gelatin. When collagen, which is found in the connective tissues, bones, cartilage, and skin of animals, is boiled and processed, it breaks down into smaller protein chains. These chains, when dried and powdered, become what we know as gelatin. When you ingest gelatin, your digestive system breaks it down further into amino acids, the fundamental building blocks of protein. The most critical of these amino acids for skin health are glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline. These three amino acids are the primary raw materials your body uses to synthesize new collagen. So when you consume gelatin regularly, you are essentially giving your body a direct supply of the exact materials it needs to build and repair the collagen structure of your skin. It is not magic, it is biology. Multiple peer-reviewed studies have now confirmed what traditional cultures around the world have known for centuries. In one landmark study published in the journal Skin Pharmacology and Physiology, women who consumed collagen peptides, which behave very similarly to gelatin in the body, for just 8 weeks, showed a statistically significant improvement in skin elasticity compared to women who took a placebo. Another study found that women who took collagen daily for 12 weeks experienced a notable reduction in the depth of wrinkles around the eye area. And perhaps most exciting, research has shown that these amino acids do not simply pass through the body. They actually accumulate in the skin tissue and stimulate the fibroblast cells, the cells responsible for collagen production, to become more active. In other words, consuming gelatin does not just temporarily fill in wrinkles, it wakes up your skin's own internal repair system. But collagen synthesis is not the only way gelatin fights aging. Let us talk about skin hydration, because this is something most people completely overlook when they are trying to address wrinkles and sagging. One of the glycine molecules in gelatin plays a crucial role in helping your body produce hyaluronic acid, the substance that acts like a sponge inside your skin cells, drawing in moisture and holding it there. Dehydrated skin is dull, crepey, more prone to fine lines, and it ages much faster than properly hydrated skin. When you improve your body's ability to retain moisture from the inside, your skin literally looks plumper and more youthful within days. The amino acids in gelatin also support the integrity of your gut lining. And here is where things connect in a way most people do not expect. When your gut is healthy and nutrient absorption is optimal, every anti-aging nutrient you consume, whether it is vitamin C, zinc, or antioxidants, gets absorbed and utilized far more effectively by your body, including your skin. Now I want to walk you through exactly how to use flavorless gelatin for maximum benefit because the method matters enormously. First, let us talk about what flavorless gelatin actually is and how to find it. You want unflavored, unsweetened gelatin powder. The most well-known brand in many countries is Knox, but there are many quality options available. You are specifically looking for a product with zero added sugar, zero artificial flavors, and no colorings. The ingredient list should be simple, just pure gelatin derived from animal collagen. This is completely different from the flavored gelatin desserts you might remember from childhood, which are loaded with sugar and artificial ingredients that would actively work against your skin health goals. The most effective way to consume gelatin for skin benefits is to dissolve it in liquid and drink it daily. Here is the method I recommend. Take 1 tablespoon of unflavored gelatin powder. This is roughly 10 grams, which is the amount used in most clinical studies. Begin by sprinkling the powder over 2 to 3 tablespoons of cold water. Do not skip this step. This process is called blooming, and it allows the gelatin particles to absorb water and swell up before you add heat. Let it sit for about 3 to 5 minutes. You will see it transform into a gel-like mass. Then add approximately 1 cup of warm, not boiling liquid to dissolve it completely. Boiling water can sometimes degrade the proteins, so warm is ideal. You can use warm water, a mild herbal tea, diluted fruit juice, or even warm broth. Stir until the gelatin is completely dissolved with no lumps remaining, and then drink it immediately. The entire process takes less than 10 minutes, and when done daily, consistently, the results can be genuinely remarkable. Now I need to share something critical with you here, because this is the step that makes or breaks the effectiveness of your gelatin routine. You absolutely must consume gelatin together with a source of vitamin C. This is not optional, it is biochemically essential. Vitamin C is a necessary cofactor in the enzymatic reactions that convert the proline and lysine from gelatin into the stabilized collagen fibers that your skin actually uses. Without adequate vitamin C, your body cannot properly utilize the amino acids from gelatin to synthesize collagen, no matter how much gelatin you consume. The simplest approach is to squeeze the juice of half a lemon into your gelatin drink. Not only does lemon juice provide a generous dose of vitamin C, but it also adds a pleasant, subtle flavor to what might otherwise be a somewhat bland mixture. You can also add a small amount of orange juice or take a vitamin C supplement alongside your gelatin drink. Either approach works well. Let us talk about timing, because when you take gelatin can influence how effectively your body uses it. Many people find that consuming gelatin on an empty stomach, either first thing in the morning or about 30 minutes before a meal, leads to better absorption because there are fewer competing proteins in the digestive system at that moment. However, others find that consuming it with food causes no reduction in benefit. The most important thing is consistency. Picking a time that you can commit to every single day is far more valuable than optimizing for the theoretically perfect timing and then being inconsistent. Results from gelatin supplementation are not overnight. You are rebuilding the structural architecture of your skin from the inside out, and that takes time. Most people begin noticing improvements in skin hydration and texture within 3 to 4 weeks. More significant changes in firmness and wrinkle depth typically become visible at the 6 to 8 week mark. And at the 12-week point, the improvements are often dramatic enough that people around you will start asking what you have changed about your skincare routine. Now, I want to address something I hear all the time because it is a genuine concern, especially for those of you who follow plant-based diets. Traditional gelatin is derived from animal sources, most commonly pork or beef connective tissue. If you follow a vegan or vegetarian lifestyle, you cannot use conventional gelatin. However, there is a plant-based alternative called agar-agar, which is derived from seaweed, Agar-agar has similar gelling properties to gelatin, but it does not provide the same amino acid profile. The truth is that for the specific collagen boosting benefits we have been discussing, agar-agar is not a direct substitute. If you do not consume animal products, your best options for boosting collagen from the inside are plant-based collagen boosters, meaning foods and supplements rich in the specific amino acids and cofactors your body needs to manufacture its own collagen. These include vitamin C-rich foods like bell peppers, citrus and kiwi, as well as zinc-rich foods like pumpkin seeds and legumes, and lysine-rich foods like lentils and quinoa. While this approach is less direct than consuming gelatin, it can still support meaningful collagen synthesis over time. For those of you who do consume animal products, I also want to mention bone broth as a powerful complement or alternative to powdered gelatin. When animal bones are simmered in water for an extended period, typically 12 to 24 hours, the collagen in the bones and connective tissue dissolves into the broth, creating a liquid that is naturally rich in gelatin, along with minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. Drinking 1 to 2 cups of quality bone broth daily provides a similar amino acid profile to gelatin supplementation, with the added benefit of those bone-supportive minerals. Many people find it easier to incorporate bone broth into their daily routine than powdered gelatin, and both approaches have strong scientific support for their skin rejuvenating effects. I also want to spend a moment talking about what to avoid, because there are common mistakes people make that actively undermine their anti-aging efforts and cancel out the benefits of their gelatin routine. Excessive sugar consumption is one of the most damaging things you can do to your skin at any age, because it triggers a process called glycation, in which sugar molecules attach to collagen fibers and make them rigid and brittle. This is one of the primary mechanisms driving accelerated skin aging, and no amount of gelatin can fully compensate for a diet that is consistently high in processed sugars. Chronic sun exposures without protection is another major collagen destroyer. Ultraviolet radiation directly breaks down collagen fibers and is responsible for up to 80% of visible skin aging. Smoking is profoundly damaging to skin collagen and circulation. And chronic sleep deprivation is something far too many people underestimate. Your body produces growth hormone primarily during deep sleep, and that hormone is a key driver of cellular repair and collagen regeneration. Getting 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night is not a luxury. It is a biological necessity for skin that ages gracefully. If you want to amplify your results even further, consider combining your gelatin routine with a topical approach that complements what you are doing internally. While no topical cream can replace lost structural collagen, the molecules are too large to penetrate the skin. There are ingredients that genuinely support the skin's surface health and enhance the visible results of your internal collagen rebuilding program. Retinoids, which are vitamin A derivatives, are the most well-researched topical anti-aging ingredients in existence. Niacinamide is another exceptional ingredient for improving skin texture and tone. And of course, a broad-spectrum sunscreen used every single morning, regardless of the weather, is the single most important topical habit you can build for preserving the collagen you have and the new collagen your body is building with the help of your daily gelatin. To bring everything together and make sure you leave today with a clear, actionable plan, your skin ages primarily because of collagen loss, and flavorless gelatin is one of the most direct, affordable, and scientifically supported ways to supply your body with the exact amino acids it needs to rebuild that collagen from within. 1 tablespoon dissolved in warm liquid daily, always paired with a source of vitamin C, consumed consistently for a minimum of 8 to 12 weeks. That is the protocol. Support it with a diet low in sugar, consistent sun protection, quality sleep, and stress management, and you are giving your skin everything it needs to genuinely defy your age. The beauty industry does not want you to know that a simple, inexpensive pantry staple can do what their $100 creams cannot. But now you know. If you found this information valuable and you are ready to take your skin health seriously, make sure to subscribe to this channel so you never miss another video packed with research-backed health strategies. Hit the like button if this helped you, and I want to hear from you in the comments. Have you ever tried gelatin or collagen supplements, and what results did you notice? And tell me what topic you want me to cover next, because this channel exists to answer your most important health questions.